Good morning, students. This is Yogesh Sharma, English PGT from RPS Behror. Let's start prepositions, remaining part of the preposition between. Okay, the usage of between. Between is used for two reference points to indicate time, distance, position, division, or connection. There is no dispute between Rohit and Mohit. So two references points are there between Rohit and Mohit here. Okay, connection of two. The property was divided between the two brothers. Okay, more than two in the previous video we have seen among is used, but here in this reference between is used. In note, see, but between can be used for more than two things also, na? To denote some reciprocal action. Some reciprocal action or relation, more than two things between can be used. For example, there is a treaty between the five great powers. So five great powers is the reference of the reciprocal action. Okay, that's why between is used. Our choice lies between these six conditions. Again, reciprocal relation, six candidates. The between is used. There is not much space between the 3 points. Between is used. So between can be used in more than two, but in the sense of some reciprocal action or relation. Alright. Between can be used in the sense of there is not much space between, among can't be used in above sentences between this or reciprocal action or relation. Like it indicates two or more limits when boundaries are concerned. Means between can be used to indicate two or more limits when boundaries are concerned. For example, Switzerland lies between France, Italy, Australia and Germany. So here is the reference of more limits when boundaries are concerned. Okay, so between is used. At, next is at. At indicates point of age, like he left school at 13. It reveals point of age. At is used with reference to time when we wish to point out exact time. For example, come and meet me at 5 o'clock. The exact time is exact 5 o'clock. Next, see, at is used for a small place, village, etc. Or it can be used even before the name of a big place, but only when that place is seen in the light of a still bigger place. For example, he was born at Behror. At is used because two places are there. If two places are there, then in is used before big place or at is used before small place. But here it is alone. This is what at is used. He lives at Patna. At is used. He was born at Kolkata in West Bengal. As I told you, West Bengal is big. Then the Kolkata. So before Kolkata at is used, or before West Bengal in is used. At also can be used before the name of a bigger town, okay, or city. when we stay for a short while on our way to some other place. For example, I stay out daily for 2 days on my way to Mumbai. Means I was on my way to Mumbai, but I stayed daily. That's why at is used. Okay. When we stay for a short while, in that reference at is used. At is used for things in rest also. For example, he is at home at present. So in the sense of rest, at is used. At is also used to indicate direction. For example, she is looking at me means she is looking towards me. The direction, it shows direction. This is what at is used to show the direction. He aimed his gun at the thief means towards the thief, again direction. Or at is used with the names of festivals like I will go home at Diwali. So before the festival at is used. It indicates rate or degree, price, number, speed, like at rupee 25. Okay, I got this book at rupee 25 price. The car is running at 80, it means speed. He estimated the crowd at 5,000. Okay, so in these references like rate, degree, price, number, speed, at is used. Okay. At is used to indicate state, manner, activity or due to. For example, they were at war with their neighbors. So at is used for the activity. He is good at English but weak in Hindi. So at is used. The ships are at sea for the state. At is used. In note C, they are at work. It means they are working now. Means temporarily they are working. Boys are at play. It means boys are playing now temporarily. He is in the army. She is in politics. It means permanently she is in politics. Okay. It indicates exact place like home, bus stand, station, office, bank, school, college, small village, etc. For example, he met me at the bus stand. For the place bus stand, at is used. He is at his office, at is used. Now come to before. Before is used in the sense of in front of. For example, before him was the car. Okay. Before is used in this sense of chronological order also. For example, A comes before B. Dosa comes before Jaipur. Now come to behind. Behind is used in the sense of at the back of. He is walking behind his mother. Okay, it means he is walking behind or at the back of mother. Alright. Behind is used in the sense of in support of. For example, I am behind you in your difficulty. It means I am in support of your difficulty. The whole town was behind the chairman. It means the whole town was in support of the chairman. So behind here means in support of. Okay. Behind also used in the sense of inferior or backward. For example, he is behind others in his class. Means he is inferior than the other students. Okay. Pakistan is behind Bharat or America in science. Means in science Pakistan is lagging behind. Okay. Inferior, backward. Now come to below. Below is used in the sense of lower than, lower in rate, value or importance. For example, the picture hung below the window. Okay. This is below my dignity. This pen is below 10 rupees. So below in rate, value or importance, below is used. Now come to by. By is used in the sense of near or beside or pass by, during, proximity. For example, he lives by the Apna Bazaar. So by means near the Apna Bazaar. He goes by the post office means he goes near the post office. Okay, and by is also used in the sense of for agent, doer, according to, showing method or means in oath, or it is used in oath by himself or without help. Hamlet was written by Shakespeare. It means Hamlet was written by Shakespeare he himself. Okay, nobody helped him. I swear by God means in the sense of oath. By is used. He was beaten by his teacher. Okay. So agent, who is agent here? By teacher. So on. By is used with reference to time. Okay. Or indicate not later than. For example, mother told the daughter to come to home by 8 o'clock means not later than 8 o'clock. You should return the book by Sunday means not later than Sunday. By is used. By is used to show means of travel. For example, they went daily by road. Priya will go by air. Okay, the means of travel, air, road, so on. But one thing remember, when we travel by a particular class or a means of traveling, means in train or airplane, so we do not use any preposition. For example, he generally travels by the first class. So by the first class, by the second class, that is wrong. We should not use by. Okay, by can be used as a means of travel, but not for the class. Okay, particular class. The first class is particular class. By also used in accordance with. For example, if I go by my standards, I will not teach such a group. Okay, he is known by his behavior means he is known according to his behavior, by his behavior. By is also used according to measurement, number or quantity. For example, he hired a taxi by the hour. Okay, he sells apples by the dozen, number. We pays wigs by the day. Cloth is sold by the meter. So according to measurement by number or quantity, by is used. If a n or an plus adjective is used before preposition, before car, taxi, bus, then it becomes a special means of travel. Preposition is used would be in, not by, mind it. For example, he came in a new car, not by a new car, because a new car, a plus a oblique n plus adjective, if you notice, then use in preposition, not by. Another example, she came in a new taxi, the new taxi, this is what in will take place, not by. If an or an plus adjective is used before cycle or bike, then preposition used would be on, not by, mind it. For example, he came on his own cycle, cycle is there, for cycle or bike on is used. For living agent or doer, by is used, but for non-living, with is used. If it is personified, preposition used would be by. For example, Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. So by is there because living thing. But for non-living thing like cane, with is used. He was beaten with a cane. Okay. Now come to 4. 4 is used to indicate destination a receiver of something, on behalf of, suitability, cure for a disease. For example, she left for Jaipur. It means for is used for destination. I bought a book for Ravi. So who is the receiver? Ravi. For is used for the receiver. Ravi is receiver. That's why for is used. He signed the paper for his friend. For is used on behalf of, in the sense of on behalf of. He signed the paper for his friend, means on behalf of friend. Walking is good for health, suitability, for is used. He sacrificed his life for the country, so on. For is used to indicate preparation, liking, love in exchange for. For example, he is ready for the match. The for is used in the sense of preparedness. He has a taste for music. The for is used in the sense of liking. Okay. He bought this pen for 10 rupees, means price. For the price for is used. She has been dancing for 2 hours, means period. For the period for is used. For is used in search of, in support of, to the extent of, in spite of. For example, he went abroad for a good job, means he went abroad in search of job. The people were for early elections. It means in favor of. The people were in favor of early elections. This is what for is used. The Pakistanis were all out for 150 runs. It means extent to extent 150. The Pakistanis were all out to extend 150 runs, extent in the sense. For all this wealth he is unhappy, means he is unhappy in spite of wealth. For all his wealth he is unhappy, in spite of it he is unhappy. In the sense of in spite of, for is used. For is used to show somewhere and direction. For example, is this train for Jammu and Kashmir? For the direction, for is used. For use in the sense of for purpose. For example, I bought fruits for children. It means I bought fruits for the purpose of children. See the formula of the for, use of the for. For plus numeral adjective plus hours plus minutes plus days. For plus numeral adjective plus week plus oblique month oblique year oblique a long time. In this example, she has been living in this house for a long time. The for plus a long time. For is used. For is used for the past indefinite plus 4, present perfect plus 4, present oblique future plus 4. For example, I lived in Delhi for 5 years. It means I don't live now. For is used. I have lived in Delhi for 5 years means still I am living. Okay. So present oblique future plus 4 or past indefinite plus 4 or present perfect plus 4. That is the combination. She is going away for a month. He will work for 6 hours in a day. See in note. Last week, month, year indicates point of time. Hence, since would take place, but the last week, the last month, the last year indicates period of time. If article definite the is put before them, the last week, the last month, the last year, then it represents period of time. Hence, for would take place. Okay, in that case, not since. For example, I have been ill since last week. So since is used not for because the is not there. But see in another example, I have been ill for the last week. That's why for is used not since because the is used. Generally, use of for is omitted for distance, duration. For example, we walked 10 kilometers means not for 10 kilometer. Okay. Do not use for here. in the reference of the distance. In the similar fashion, in reference of duration, for is not used. For example, the meeting lasted 3 hours, not for 3 hours, because the reference is of the duration. Now come to since. Since is used for point of time. Since plus morning, evening, night, o'clock combination. Since plus name of the days, month, year. Since plus birth, death, marriage, arrival, departure. Since plus name of an event, festival. For example, I haven't seen him since his birthday or since his marriage or departure. Since is used. Now come to from. From indicates a starting point in time or place, order, purpose or position. For example, she is busy from 2 to 5 p.m. Okay, the point of time from is used. He came from Bombay. Alright, origin. It indicates source, separation, showing region, showing the material used and changed. For example, apples came from Kashmir. So from is used for the reference of the source. Okay. He fell from the roof. Separation. From is used. He fell from the roof. Fell down. Separation. He is suffering from malaria. The region is there, that's why from is used. But mind it, we can't say he's died from malaria. Died of malaria is right. Okay. Butter is made from milk. Material is used to change butter into milk. In note C, but we say a bridge is made of steel. Alright. Because material is there na, that's why of will take place, not from. This ring is made of gold, not from gold. Okay. The form of thing doesn't change, that's why. It indicates difference, exclusion or prohibition. For example, your car is different from mine means difference, that's why from is used. He was expelled from the college. Exclusion is there, that's why from is used. We will stop you from talking about him. It indicates, prohibition, that's why from is used. Now come to in. It shows a period of time during which something happens. For example, answer these questions in 60 minutes duration. In is used. In is used after a period of time when. For example, he will come in the morning. When he will come? In the morning. So in is used. The bus will arrive at 11 in the night. When will the bus arrive? It will arrive in the nights. So in is used for the duration or period of time. It is used means in is used before the name of town, cities, countries. Like he lives in India, she will stay in America for 6 months, so on. In is used to show a position of rest. For example, he is sitting in an easy chair. The easy chair, okay, in is used, but sitting on a chair without arms. Alright, means on is used for the without arm chair. If chair contains or chair has arm, then in is used. Mind it. That is the difference between in or the usage of on. On without arm in chair. Okay. She is lying in bed, but for sitting on is used. Mind it. Without armchair on, with armchair in. She is lying in bed, but for sitting we use on. They were in the room, his money was in his pocket. Okay, the usage of for, it indicates medium of writing or conversation. For example, he writes his answers in English. But note, keep it in mind, he is writing with a pencil. Pencil is countable noun. For the countable noun, with is used. Or he is writing in pencil, pencil, okay. Uncountable noun. Pencil is uncountable noun because in is used. This letter is written in red ink. In will take place, not with, mind it. In is used with season, months or year. For example, he was born in January. He came to India in 2009. Or in is used for physical condition and state. For example, do not go out in the sun. Or he is in good health. Okay, so physical condition. What is the physical condition? Good health. So for physical condition, in is used. Okay. In indicates membership or existence among a group. He is in the Air Force or he is in the army. So membership in a group, okay, army. Army group represents group. In is used for the purpose of an action. For example, she spoke in my favor. Means what is the purpose of speaking? In my favor. That's why in is used. Before the nouns denoting time, the train was in time. Exact time and accurate time on is used. Okay. Or in is used for the flexibility of 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now come to into. From into we will go through in next video. Okay, students, one more class I will take regarding the preposition, or actually this topic needs a lot of practice and you will keep on practicing. Those who are facing NTSC examination, they may write it down later on, and good luck for them. Have a nice day.